Smoked maple breakfast sausages. Oh, wasn't that snap incredible? These were cured and smoked. And like, I'm not exaggerating, guys. They were incredibly delicious. Let's take another look at that snap. Holy cow, getting two snaps like that out of one sausage is pretty intense. And just look how juicy this was. Guys, these were seriously delicious. This recipe for homemade sausages, cured and smoked, maple breakfast sausages is intense how good it is. Holy cow. Let's start from the top. I'm going to give you the ratios for 1 kilogram of pork. You'll have to work it out depending on how much pork you actually have, but the main star here today is Maple Fix by Mötley Que. Guys, it's a 10 out of 10. So I'm using 25 grams of Maple Fix, 7 grams of kosher salt. I'm using 10 grams of brown sugar. I have 2 grams of garlic powder and 5 grams of ground black pepper. Very, very finely ground, not coarse ground. And I also have 4 grams of curing salt that I have diluted down into some ice water, specifically 75 milliliters. Now, if you combine all that together, you're going to get some sausages that are just ready to be cased and cured overnight. Now, I cure these in my refrigerator. It allows them to bloom, and you can see there, it's looking gorgeous. The next day, we're going to throw it out on the offset smoker. Now, I'm using sugar maple wood today just to mix in that maple sausage with sugar maple smoke. And I'm probably running this for about 4 hours total. I start my smoke at 150, then I jump it to 170 an hour later, then 190, then 210. Once I hit 210, I watch them, and I basically, once they hit 152 degrees internal, I pull them off. Now, when they're approaching like 140, you're more than welcome to kick your smoker up a few degrees just to finish off that process a little bit quicker. Then, once they hit that 152 to like 155 degrees, you need to get them immediately into an ice bath. We want to stop all cooking. There's my little sausage bath. Just thought I'd show it to you right quick. Afterwards, probably about 10 or 15 minutes in that ice bath, you just want to take your sausage and just dry it off and put it on a wire rack and let it bloom. Continue just to air dry for maybe an hour or so. But you need to make sure that cooking stopped internally. That's why we use the ice bath. And these sausages, seriously, guys, are looking spectacular. I mean, the form looks great. The color looks beautiful. These are technically ready to be snacked on, ready to go. That's all it takes. And guys, these are unreal. I was really excited about the quality of this product that I produced. I really like maple breakfast sausages. So getting these ready to go, I can just keep them in the fridge or the freezer and pull them out whenever I want some, is just a 10 out of 10. So I grabbed one, threw it in the air fryer, and let it rip at about 350 degrees for about, 4 or 5 minutes or so. And as you can see here, it's looking ready to go. Juicy as can be. Let's go review those snaps again. Holy cow. Wasn't that spectacular? Talk about juicy and delicious. This sausage is splendid, bud. Holy cow. Here's another snap. Dude, check that out. That crispy skin, that unreal internal. Guys, this is so flavorful and delicious. And as you can see here, slicing it up, it is seriously juicy. The flavor profile is out of this world. Like, if you like smoked sausages and if you like breakfast sausages, guys, this is the best of both worlds. No questions asked. That's why you should like and subscribe. You guys know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossi. I'm the Canadian king of backyard barbecue, and I love delicious food. And this is no exaggeration. These sausages were unbelievable, guys. Man, oh man. I hope you're enjoying this. Hope you like this recipe. Happy Friday. Man, just enjoy your weekend. Get out on the barbecue and enjoy yourself. Thanks again for watching. Take care and stay safe.